Hey everybody, today on Henry's HowTos, I'm going to show you how to make vegan chocolate and avocado mousse. Let's get straight into it. So we're going to start this recipe with 3 avocados. Now I've just sliced my avocados and we just need to take all the flesh out. So using a spoon, that'll be the easiest way. Now to our avocados, we're going to add about 1 tablespoon of fresh honey. Now the reason I say use pure honey is because especially here in Australia, they've proved a lot of them are just mixed with sugar. Next we're going to add about 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. You can use any cocoa powder. I always use the Cadbury one as that's my favourite. But I have used the Lindt one, Nestle, whatever you like. Next we'll add 1 tablespoon of icing sugar. And finally I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. If you're using essence, make it 2 teaspoons. Now I'm just going to get my hand beater and with the whisk attachment, we're just going to beat this. Now just with a spatula, I'm just going to scrape the sides. Just because we want to get it all evenly combined. Now at this stage you can go ahead and try just a little bit, see how the flavour is. Depending on your personal preference, you may need to sweeten it a little. So if you want to do that, go ahead. As you can see, it's got a beautiful colour of normal chocolate mousse. So what we're going to do now is we need to put these into glasses or whatever you want to serve it in. I'm just going to put them in some martini glasses. Just like so. Now we need to cover these and put them into the fridge for at least 1 hour to chill. And then we can serve them. Okay guys, so after you've let it chill, it will be nice and set. So we'll garnish it with a strawberry and let's serve. And just have a look at that beautiful moussey texture. You'd be surprised how well it tastes. I know you're probably thinking our avocado chocolate doesn't work, but it's just like zucchinis and chocolate in a brownie. Somehow they work very well. I hope you like that guys, please like and subscribe. You can follow me on Facebook, Snapchat and Instagram. If you've got any comments or suggestions, just leave them at the bottom and I'll see you all next time.